Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski. We've had a cold front come through here again during the overnight hours, similar to what we had a little over 24 hours ago. So now two cold fronts, and really what this is doing is just kind of keeping the cold air in place. It's not going to make us much colder than yesterday, but it's just kind of keeping the colder air in place. Wind's a little bit breezy. That frontal boundary is basically sitting. You can kind of tell where it is right now with the wind divide right about here. And the winds are a little bit breezy out of the north this morning behind that front at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. They're much lighter in the southwestern areas where the front hasn't come through. As we go through our day today, we'll see a few clouds, maybe some snow flurries or light snow across southwest Nebraska, north central Kansas. Very small chance of some flurries around the Tri-Cities this morning. Then a little more sun comes in this afternoon. I think we'll at least get some partial clearing out there. Winds will be fairly light this afternoon. There's going to be an area of high pressure basically sitting right about here, rotating clockwise here. So very light winds around that high. But out here, the wind's starting to get a little bit breezy, and we'll see those breezier winds translate eastward during the evening hours. Watch how those arrows start to move a little faster here in central Nebraska during the evening. They'll then die down later in the night as another weak cool front makes its way through once again by tomorrow morning, about right there. Kind of the similar deal, although that front kind of stalls out and will actually lift back to the north during the day tomorrow, so we'll return to more of a southeasterly wind towards the end of the day, and will actually help to warm us up a little bit more. But because of that front, it's going to be a slower climb tomorrow. We'll see a much bigger climb in our temperatures as we go towards the end of the week. But it looks like another dry one for tomorrow with mostly sunny skies. Temperatures out there later on today ranging from around 20 up to the northeast to as warm as near 40 out near the Colorado border. Many of us in the 20s and 30s will shoot for upper 20s in the Tri-Cities. Heading into tonight, kind of similar to this morning, teens and 20s for overnight lows, mid to upper teens, lower 20s. And then tomorrow's temperatures a little bit warmer, still 20s to the northeast, but a lot more of us seeing 30s and even some 40s off towards the southwest. And Thursday's when we really start to warm those temperatures up. A lot more 40s out there, maybe low 50s in the far southwest, maybe still a few 30s up towards the northeast. So we're budging those temperatures back above average by Thursday. In fact, Thursday and Friday are best days of the forecast, all ahead of a cold front which will come through later in the day on Friday. So the winds will pick up later in the day behind that front. We'll have a small chance of light rain that could transition to some light snow overnight Friday night and before sunrise Saturday morning. Does not look like a whole lot of precipitation with this very light minor precipitation. Saturday, though, a much chillier day, breezy still. Not a terribly strong wind, but that wind getting up there around 15 miles per hour. And then we actually get some reinforcing colder air as we get towards Saturday night into Sunday, as well as another storm system. This one's our best chance of snow Saturday night, late night. We're talking after midnight through early Monday morning before sunrise. I think the bulk of it would be Sunday and Sunday evening. As of right now, forecast models are not overly consistent on this, but most of them do take it to our south and keep the best chance of precipitation to our south. So this looks like a minor snow event, does not look like a significant snow. And it would favor, once again, southern Nebraska, northern Kansas, similar to what I mentioned yesterday. So no major changes. I'm not confident in a lot of heavy snow. The Canadian forecast model is the only forecast model that's really putting down a decent amount of snow. Most models are not putting down much out of this system. Monday, as that system moves out of here, we'll actually begin to warm things up back around our average high on Monday. And long-range trends look like we'll see some warmer temperatures next week beyond Monday. Back to the 40s, which that's above average, so you can't complain about that in December as we look towards mid-December, and we'll eventually be pushing towards the end of December before too long. But so again, you kind of see it there. Below average the next 2 days, above average for the end of the work week, back below average for the weekend, and then climbing as we head into next week. So there is your forecast for today. Thank you for watching on this Tuesday. I appreciate that. Take care, enjoy your day, and we'll see you all on a slightly warmer Wednesday. Until then, take care, and God bless. Bye.